Hello friends, today's topic, want to retire at 50 question mark, follow this technique. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. In this generation, there are large number of people who don't enjoy their job but unfortunately need to continue to work since they have financial commitments. If they were given a choice, they would have taken up some other career options which is different from the current job or profession they are in. In fact, this is the reason large number of people want to become financially independent as early as possible in their lives so that they can choose what they want to do in life. Financial independence, retire early, is a concept which has become very popular in the last few years. Financial independence is reaching a stage in life when the passive money from investments is enough to take care of your living expenses. Hence, there will be no dependence on regular salary for meeting regular monthly expenses. The following are the things that we must follow in order to achieve financial independence much before the age of 60 years. Number one, start investing early. If we need a large corpus early in life, such as 45 to 50 years, then we must also start investing early. This will give enough time for your money to generate wealth and take full advantage of the power of compounding. You need at least 20 years of investing and compounding to become financially independent. 2. Invest in the most appropriate instruments. If you need a large corpus, it is not enough to just start investing early. It is very important to invest in the right instruments to benefit from higher returns. Investing a higher percentage of money in stocks and mutual funds is a must for early financial independence. Investing more in bank deposits, post office, PPF, etc. will not help in creating a large corpus in a relatively small number of years. Corpus target of rupees 5 crore at the age of 50. If you start at 25, assume returns 15%, duration of investment 25 years, approximate monthly investment required 17,000. At the age of 30, assume returns 15%, duration investment 20, then 35,500 is required to reach a figure of 5 crores. If you start at 35, assume returns 15%, duration investment 15 years, approximate monthly investment required 76,500. Value of rupees 5 crore after 25 years will be approximately 1.17 crores today. If you target a smaller amount, it may not be sufficient to be financially independent. So, you can observe how difficult it is to achieve financial independence at the age of 50, especially if you started investing little later in life. If you are already 40 years, you may try to achieve financial independence by the age of 55 years or so. Worst case, you must at least have a large corpus by the age of 60 to have comfortable retirement. Number 3, protect yourself during the journey. During the journey to financial independence, we must protect ourselves by having adequate health insurance for family and also a term insurance in case of untimely death. If we don't have these protections, we may lose a lot of money for medical treatment, especially for parents or in-laws. So this is compulsory action to be taken by people who want to become financially independent early in life. If you want to retire early, fourth thing is, more you earn, more you can invest. Apart from getting good returns on investment, one of the main aspects of achieving financial independence is to be a high income earner. This will make it easy to invest a larger amount for your future goals. Example, if your salary is 75,000 at the age of 30, you may be able to invest around 30,000 per month. However, if your salary is 1 lakh, then you may be able to save even 40 to 50,000 per month. These additional savings will help you achieve your target corpus earlier in life. This is why you should work on upgrading yourself so that your salary is higher and also increases well over the years. It's very difficult for low-income earners to achieve financial independence at the age of 50. Please note that there is no compulsion to achieve financial independence earlier than retirement age. Many people have the view that they want to live a lavish life at a younger age and have minimum amount for the retirement. It all depends on your outlook towards life. However, please note that your post-retirement life could also be 20 to 30 years after the age of 60. And if you have not planned your finances properly, you may not have sufficiently more for a comfortable retirement life and may regret spending too much money at a younger age. Make sure you balance today's spending and saving for a comfortable future. End of the video, here is the question. What do you prefer? There are three choices in front of you. You may select any one of the alphabets. A. More sacrifice now and achieve financial independence early in life. B. High lifestyle now but slight sacrifice in retirement. C. Moderate lifestyle now and comfortable retirement. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.